Well, the fuselage and the wings are ready to cover. Welcome back to CubCrafters Northeast Hangar. I'm Mark Keneston with CubCrafters. Since I've seen you last, we finished the fuselage. It's ready for cover. The boot cowl's complete. And our wings are complete, so we're all ready for cover. Everything's buttoned up and we're ready to cover it now. So as we go along, I'll be setting up the wings here. I've got a friend coming up from Tennessee that's going to help me cover, and it should be exciting. We're going to have a great time. Thanks for following along, and catch us on the next block. Thank you.